So, starting the video off with Raid Hour. This is going to be our one and only Cobadian because we were here late. And yeah, I didn't have raid passes anyways. So, I totally forgot to record them. I was halfway through. Oh wait, I need to record. So, we're just recording and we're taking him down. For some reason I picked my Rose Raid and other ones, but I should have just went with my fighting types like Machamp. So this is gonna be the last one, and this will be our first Cobadian. So we have some more news, update stuff. Some of it I'm gonna talk about. Others is just updates, friendly gifts. We're gonna be getting more Pokemon that have a boy and girl form, kind of like family Pokemon. There's a Kabuto here, so we're gonna be doing. There's more family like Nidoking and Nidoqueen. Because, mine's lagging out. It's gonna be from 3-star to 5-star. It's guaranteed a charge TM. Those updates are coming soon. Charge TM, let's go. We actually needed that for Mammosign. This is gonna be our second raid.
No, you have to catch it, which I would let one of us do it.
And here we have Mr. Cobadian. And I thought he was going to be boosted. But he turns out he's not. We almost got an excellent. Come on. No way. Oh.
That's going right through him.
Okay. Gotta wait for them to attack, and then you got to do the curveball throw. Okay. Cobadian. Also, we have not got our shiny today, so because then and my mom got a shiny, so maybe I can get a shiny. Maybe. I don't know. But this is a little bit challenging. Come on. Dude, so close. And I don't know the Hondo. Also, more news. Terrakion. Because this Cobadian, Terrakion, and I forgot the other one because I haven't heard his name in a while. So Terrakion is coming to raids for almost the end of the year. The next it's gonna be probably the other guy from the trio that I can't remember his name. Curveball, excellent. Come on, I should have golden raspberry that. And this should have been my first ball.
Did you catch it?
Not yet. I'm down to 6 balls. 7.
I have 2. Mommy didn't catch it. I got an excellent piece. And I failed.
Okay. That was awful. Nice. Nice. We got a nice.
Did you guys catch it? What? Nope. No.
Come on. I totally forgot I was recording. Just quiet. We have 3 balls. Zed, check your Team Rocket.
I know. Hey, did you get the mysterious thing?
Yeah.
I have 5 of them already.
Oh,
and Shadow Meowth could be shiny.
I know.
That's why. That's what I'm trying
Okay. Okay. Come on. Dude. One more Pokeball? Yeah. My last Pokeball. Dude. Can I have this instead of a shiny? If I catch this, I don't get a shiny, okay? If I don't catch this, I get a shiny. And crap. Did anybody catch the Cobadian? Because I didn't. Shiny! So we might be able to do a Team Rocket Grunt. I mean, boss. If it's true. If, like, someone else has it and they're, like, close to you, you can fight the team.
We already did that one.
There.
We're probably not going to be able to beat it. They already did it.
Yeah, I know.
You can do it. Huh? This one you can do it with 3 people. How? You just got to use fire. Anything that's really effective.
We need to get some more balls in you.
Try it.
Wait. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and I just did some dual trading, you know. We got 2 Luckies. We got a Vermont Lucky and a Centric Lucky, which we're going to evolve for the Lucky Pokedex. So, like, you have the Pokedex and you have it Lucky, so I probably should have showed you before I evolved this. But that's fine. Now we have a Lucky Centric and a Lucky Vert. So that's going to be it. 11, 18. Kind of want to get another attack on it. It's tempting. And then Lucky Ramon. So once we gain enough candy, we'll evolve that so that you can get more Pokedex stuff. Like more Lucky Pokedex. These are all our Lucky Pokemon. Marleep, we're evolving all the way up unless I get a shiny. If I get a shiny, then I will evolve that. It's like, I'll show you. Just, since we're right here, we might as well just use this. So we have Charizard, which I have a lucky... Oh no, I've never got that. Let me... I had... Oh, first lucky, it was Squirtle, right? So then, that's what happens when you have the lucky, that cool animation thing. So if you evolve it, it goes to the next Pokemon. So that means you have the lucky. So I want to be able to go through all of them and the background to be like that. Because that means you've got a lucky of that Pokemon. Like, so we will be working on this Pokedex. Like, obviously, we'll be doing the regular Pokedex, get the Pokemon in first. Zend! And we have Slowking. Yeah. So that's gonna do it all for today's video. I already tried and check that. But wait for more. And come on, please be shiny. If this is not shiny, then the research box is gonna be shiny. And that'll be tomorrow. So I mean, I want this to be shiny, but I also want the other thing. This is not shiny. And it's a Scyther, so that's very good. We need Scythers because we have a quest coming up. Evolve Scyther. So, research box tomorrow is going to be a shiny. Unless I get a shiny before that. Then, I don't know. But that sucks. We're not getting a shiny. Just going to be probably my only family who didn't get a shiny today. But I haven't checked my dad, so... That's going to do it all for today, but tomorrow we got research box, so bye. I'm ending the video, but it's not gonna end, okay? Bye. Okay, it's the next day, and it's time to open research breakthrough. Also, Chimchar Community Day is coming in 2 days. So, it's like video after video. We're claiming this sponsored one. Thank you. Hey, good job with your field research. It looks like we've learned a lot. Keep up the great work. Let's see what we have discovered. What have we discovered? Unova stone or Sinnohstone? 5 Ultra Balls. Okay. So that's neither of what I just said. But will we get our first legendary bird? I'm gonna flip the phone over. Please be a legendary bird. Zapdos. Okay. And it's not shiny. So, I don't know what. I kind of wish it was Moltres. Kind of. Because I'm on Team Valor. And it's a bird. But it's going to be. No way. What? I got that with. What? 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 I got that with one Pokeball. And a, berry. Golden raspberry. You know, there's usually more to it, not just going Pokeball, go, boom, boom, bang. Why couldn't that happen to the Cobadian? Really? Now we need 2 more Pokemon to complete my Pokedex. I just need Articuno, which you do get a Shadow Articuno from if you defeat Giovanni. And then Zen has Moltres. And I could trade him. Chimchar Community Day is coming. So, I think... let me see something now. Chimchar. We have a 811 Chimchar. So, hopefully... we can get a, I can't think right now. A shiny Chimchar, then evolve that all the way up. That's what I want to do. We will also put a second attack on it, but we'll probably evolve it near the end or so. Also, I got a Sinnohstone, so I'm just thinking of any Pokemon that we need to evolve that you need Sinnohstones for. But and then I have a bunch of these Kabutos. And I was doing double trades with my mom, and I got 2 in a row luckies. One of them was Centric. So, one of them was centered. I forgot. I need to evolve one of these. This one's not as important. I like to have like high CPs of at least one of everything. Like I want to have one of everything, but like them high CP. And the other one was very low. So we got 2 luckies. One was the Centric, and the other one was Mareep. So we're super close to getting enough candy. Well, not super, but we're close to getting enough candy, so we'll evolve that all the way to an Ampharos. And I think our Sinnohstone evolution is going to be Murkrow, because I need a better one. But I'm trying to think of Pokemon that we need to evolve. I don't know. So I'll be right back once I find something. Okay, so this Honchkrow is 1388, which is very bad. And IVs are even worse. So we're just gonna catch evolve another Murkrow, which that's what I've been planning to do, and evolving this one, but they both have bad CP. So we're using a Sinnoh. Then I'm gonna be fussing. I'm gonna be like, I need a Sinnoh. Can I get a Sinnoh? I got some Pokemon to evolve. Well, remember that time when you used the Sinnoh on a Murkrow for the second time? Okay, so we have 2038. And something appeared. And I was just watching videos to get ready. Wait. Oh! I just did it! And it didn't work! Okay. Wait, no way. Did I actually just do that? So there's like a glitch where like you don't... I got it! Let's go!
It works?
I did the switch thing.
Aww.
So like there's a way to catch it without like going through the screen. Oh, you caught it, claim your candy and stuff. So I was just practicing that, but that is sick. And it's kind of complicated to do. IVs are pretty bad. Oh.
Jai. I just put Inky on. It was 51% working, 1% not gonna work.
Since playing Minecraft right now. So we have a Ramon. So like I said last video, I believe, like if you evolve it, it goes to like the Lucky Pokedex. But didn't I even use Furret as an example? So we had a Lucky Centered and got that to Lucky for it. Yeah. Now I just want to do like one. Oh, never mind. I don't know. So that's probably gonna end it for today's video. But Community Day is coming. So subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell so that you don't miss out on Community Day time, where we get some shiny Chimchar. I'm getting one, okay? I'm not going without the second Community Day without one. But bye, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button.